Did you just get an alert that your Gemini account security has been compromised? In the fast-paced world of crypto, a security breach can feel like a punch to the gut. The immediate question is, what do I do right now? Panic is a natural reaction, but immediate, decisive action is the only thing that matters. Your first step is critical. Contact Gemini support immediately. You need to select the fraudulent activity option and then specify that my account is compromised in the subsequent drop-down menu. In your message, provide your full name, the email address, and the phone number associated with your account. This is the fastest way to get their dedicated security team to freeze your account and prevent further unauthorized transactions. Now, while you wait for their response, you need to execute a wider security lockdown, because the hack on your Gemini account likely started somewhere else, most commonly, your email. Phase 2. Secure your digital life. First, secure your primary email account. If a hacker has access to your email, they have the key to reset almost all of your passwords. Change your email password to something strong, unique, and complex right now. Then, ensure two-factor authentication is active on your email, preferably using an app-based authenticator like Google Authenticator or Authy, not SMS. Second, change your Gemini password. Whether you can log in or not, you must reset it. If you can, do it immediately. If the hacker has changed it, attempt a password reset through the official Gemini login page. Use a password that you have never used before and never use it on another site. Third, review your Gemini account for any unauthorized activity. Look at your transaction history and login logs. If funds were moved, document the withdrawal time, the amount, and the destination wallet address. Take screenshots of everything. This information will be vital for Gemini's security team and for a police report. Phase 3. Long-term recovery and security. Once you have regained control and the dust has settled, it's time to move from defense to offense by boosting your security. The single best move you can make is to upgrade your two-factor authentication. If you were using SMS-based 2FA, switch immediately to a more secure option like a hardware security key, such as a YubiKey, or a TOTP authenticator app. SMS is highly vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. Next, enable withdrawal whitelisting. This feature allows you to restrict crypto withdrawals to a list of pre-approved addresses only. Even if a hacker gains access, they can't send your assets anywhere new for a period of time, giving you a critical window to respond. Finally, you should file a police report if you have lost funds. Provide all the documentation you collected, the timeline, the wallet addresses, and the screenshots. Losing control of a crypto account is stressful, but taking these steps quickly is your best defense against further loss and the fastest path to recovery. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.